One simple click. And all the folders you need are there. Let's run how to do it and which tool do you really need. Go to Google Chrome. This is the source you can get the tool called Text to Folders. It's only 900 kilobytes and click and play software. In my Excel files, there are some names as you can see. I want folders with that names. Copying them. Now simply go to the place you want your folders to be created. Check Manual box. Paste the copied names here. For demonstration, I'm bringing the folder here. And finally, create folders. Yup, the names are there in less than a second. Now, if you want you can also create from text file. I have some random words here, wanna get the folders as. So, checking text file. And browsing to set it here. And it's already there. Now again, create folders. So, this is how you can simply create folders without much efforts and hassle. All our videos are made with care so that you can enjoy technology. Be with us and also subscribe to inspire. Goodbye.